Come with us to Dollywood.
I think this is a bad idea.
This might be ripped for the phone. We just rode Big Bear. That was so fun. And my phone made it. We just rode Big Bear Mountain twice, and there was no wait at all. We got to walk right on, so that was awesome. And now we're going to Wild Eagle. We have successfully ridden 4 rides so far with no wait times. What do you think?
That's how you want it to be.
Yeah, it's been great. And now we're heading over to Lightning Rod, which Luke has never ridden, so hopefully they don't have a wait and he likes it. Brief intermission. There was lightning in the area as soon as we got in line for Lightning Rod, and now the park is shut down. So we're eating lunch. Update, we had to find shelter because I think that there's about to be a tornado. It's really windy, and yeah, we're just sitting under this little pavilion. We're just on a step actually right now.
Shout out Jersey Jerry for running the marathon.
Yeah,
This is your friendly reminder to check the radar.
You did. Well, you did.
Last week I did.
Is it Africa?
It's still raining, so we're killing some time in the candle shop. Say what you just said.
I'm harder than that candle store. No one knew.
This is not looking too good. Dollywood is currently flooding. What do you think?
Oh no, let's get this guy.
Oh no! Go! We made a run for it, for the show. Just got some cinnamon bread. It's Luke's first time. What do you think? Good? It's really good.
Let's stop raining.
The whole park to ourselves because it's closed. We're leaving. They are closing early because of the weather. We are back and it is only 3:30. The park got closed because of weather, unfortunately, so our day got cut short, but we did get to ride a lot of stuff in the beginning, and we got 3 tickets to come back. They actually gave us an extra one, so that's awesome, and it worked out really good because we still got to do a lot of stuff, and it was really fun. So,
Good day.
yes. Thanks for watching.